Welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop the heat every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this Ty Dolla signed drum kit 2021. It's crazy, man, as always, man. You know how we do it on this channel, Believers Records, we always kill it. So there's 808s here, there's claps, there's hats, there's kicks, there's midis, there's percussion, and there's snares. I believe, as I said, I'll be dropping the beat before the drum kit. I already dropped the beat, the one I actually made using this drum kit, so you can go ahead and check that out. It's you can go back to my previous stuff and actually check it out and see what I actually and see sorry hear the potential of how far you can actually run with this thing. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So I'm gonna start off first with the midis as always, then we'll head back to the drums. So I'm using this classic grand piano by Turn Up in Contact. So yeah, so let's go ahead and start off first with the first MIDI called I'm Sorry. So I believe I already loaded up that MIDI. All I gotta do is just press play. So let's go ahead and do that. Second MIDI. Third MIDI. Alright, last MIDI. So yeah, that's it for the MIDI. So let's head back to the rest of the stuff. So 808s. Alright, claps. Alright, hi-hats. Alright, kicks. Alright, percussion. Alright, snares. Yeah, man, that's it for the sauce, bro. That's it for the whole thing, man. So link in the description down below. It should be pretty much be straightforward. It shouldn't be complicated. If you guys are getting any problems downloading this, just hit me up on my number, or you can leave anything in the comments down below and I'll get back to you fast and quick. So yeah, that's it, man. Enjoy the drum kit. Make crazy banging beats with this. Stay safe, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Namaste. Bye.